So, hello learners, and this is day 13 of 30-day challenge. And today I am here with another topic. And today we are going to talk about top 10 mistakes which every beginner or English speakers do. So today I was just watching a playlist, and I I watched that all these top mistakes. So I noted down there, and I'm going to share with you all. And this is a very helpful information for everyone. So be connected, and just you can visit our playlist of 30-day English speaking challenge, and different types of grammar techniques rule we are talking. So just be connected and keep watching, keep learning. So I am going to show top 10 mistakes which every English speakers do. So first mistake, which is there and there. There, THEIR there, and there, THERE there. So there is two words and both are different. THEIR there, for people we use to refer people, and there for place. Like they know their number. THEIR there means they know their number. उनको अपना नंबर पता है, वो अपना नंबर जानते हैं. There are 5 students sitting in a class. There are, it means place, there. And the second mistake, which is percentage and percent. So most of the people don't know the difference between percentage and percent. So percentage mean when no number is present, then we use percentage. Like large percentage of people didn't attend the seminar. Large percentage of people, if there is no number, and percent number is present, like 100%, 50%, 99.5%. So if there is a number present, then we will say percent. And third mistake which we do, like do and does. In do and does, like we all know that do is for plural and does is for singular. Like she does go. So we use like this, do and does. Does for singular and do for plural. They do their work. And also we use somewhere accept and accept. Accept, 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 and EXCEPT, accept. Like I accept your appraisal. Yeah, I accept your proposal. And accept, it means everyone came there except Adnan. It means excluding to Adnan. So accept and accept. Then since and for. So most of the time we use since and for, and we confused what to use. But since is for a specific time. Like India got independence in 1947. India got independence since 1947. So we use since for a specific time, and for we use period of time. Period of time. For go. I am coming for 7 o'clock. So we use for period of time. Gone and went. 6 is gone and went. So we most of the time we use in a different way. Like gone, we always use with auxiliary verbs. They had gone. If gone will come, then there will be any auxiliary verb. And then went. Went means she went to her home. and there is no need any auxiliary verb we can use. The seventh is its and its. Its, it means it is, and its, there is an apostrophe s. The cat hurts its paw. The cat hurts its paw. It means it is, and it's a beautiful day. It's mean apostrophe s. Blunder and mistake. So there is a two word is blunder and mistake. Blunder means carelessness. If someone is saying become blunder, it means carelessness. Mistake, it means it become accidental. Myself and I, most of the time we use this word like myself Shafiq, but it is wrong. I have to say I am Shafiq. I am Shafiq. I have to say. And the 10th, like stop using short forms. Like in nowadays we use WhatsApp, so we are using lots of short form like GN, good morning, and HAU, how are you. So these are the very short form, so we have to avoid all these type of short form. So these are the 10th very common mistake which everyone is doing, so we have to avoid all these mistakes. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today.